It's 4 in the morning and look what the little one's doing. Hey. Hi, Maddox. Hey, good morning. Hi. Whoops. There he goes.
Oh, bless you.
Here's Maddox. He is 2 weeks, 5 days old. Say hi. Hey.
You like your health coverage, but worry what happens if you get sick or change jobs. 8 ways reform matters to Florida.
Hey.
A cap on